guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eunice, and today we're gonna be talking about a credit card of American Express. As I always say, American Express has a lot of way you can get money back. If you have the blue card, which is blue for American Express, you can earn a cashback. It's always having a cashback. This video is not sponsored by American Express, but this is only my information to you because I have used this card to travel. If you travel outside the country, you will be able to get miles and you will be able to stay in nice hotel. You will be able to use your point. You will be able to use your point even to pay for money which you have to pay at the end of your use rate. So if you have the credit card and you want to add one more credit card, would you consider having an American Express Blue card? Because it's good for beginners, it's easy to maintain, it's easy to use, it's easy to go to the app, download the app, and at the down here at the bottom of your app you will see how to pay money. If you wanna use the point to pay for what you owe, you can pay that. And then if you don't have that option, they will send you, like I used to use it to pay for my gas, and if I go to use a certain gas, they will send me, do you want to use the point to pay for your gas for what you have used? So as I mentioned, having a credit card of American Express Blue, it's good for beginners and the people who are trying to get an extra credit card to have several credit cards, because if you have one credit card and you use it to this use, and then you want to use another option to use the credit card and you only have one, you do not have an option. That's why you need to have 2 or 3 more credit cards to use when you don't have enough money, instead of using your debit card. The reason why I don't talk about using your debit card, remember, if somebody scam you and you have all your saving in all your money in your account and you keep using your debit card and somebody will able to use your debit card to shop, then your money is gone. Well, if you have the credit card, you are protected. As I don't know what your lender or how is your agreement between your credit card offers. So it's always to check with your credit card lenders, how are they going to give you the credit card. As you know, I like to talk about the money because money makes me feel hot and good. So if you have this credit card of American Express, let's say for example you travel to Somalia, you travel to Kenya, you travel to Mombasa, you travel to Djibouti, you travel to Dubai, you travel to Italy, you travel wherever you wanna go, Djibouti, Pakistan, Indonesia, wherever you wanna go, you will be able to use your miles. Okay, how do you use your miles? When you go to purchase your ticket, there will be somewhere where you can add that you want to use your miles. And that's the way I talk about having credit card with a cashback, or whereby you can use your points. And this, you can also travel within the state. It's not that you're gonna travel outside, because within the state you will be able to accumulate a lot of points, whereby when you wanna pay that ticket, you will use your credit card point to pay how much you have left with. And that's why I always talk to you about checking credit card with the cashback, with the cashback, with the point, with miles, with all the things you can get. Some cards, they all offer food, flowers, water, store, whatever you can. It's like when you go to your mail, you get so many coupons. It's up to you if you want to use the coupon from Safeway, Albertson, or Fry's, or Walmart. So it's the same. When you have your American Express card, you will decide where do you want to use your point at. If you use your point at the checkout, or you want to accumulate your point until the end of the year, then you will use it for Christmas or for Happy New Year. It will be a very good opportunity for you because you will see how much you have saved and how much you have earned from the credit card. That's my way of seeing which credit card is good for me or which credit card I should get. I'm not here to tell you which credit you should have or which you should because it's all depends with you, and also it depends with the interest rate or how much you can afford to pay. Like there is so many credit cards over there which you can go for, not only going to American Express. And American Express, why I like about it, there is so many options, and I like to travel internationally. I can use it to buy my ticket, hotel, and also I will be bragging to myself having that great opportunity to have the credit card of American Express. And also another thing you should learn about having